Hello, it's our first sea day. We are going to have breakfast. It's so cold! How cold are you?
Teeth are chattering.
It's so cold!
What do you have? Waffles, pancakes, and bacon?
Yep. We found the arcade. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. But since this trip is long and I knew it was going to be cold on the trip, I got Ariel the unlimited arcade package. And she's taking full advantage of that right now.
Looks like she's having a salad. Guess what? She passed the ice cream.
What?
Nothing. Vegetarian. The french fries here are really good. I mean, I have to try something new. So technically, I followed the rules. I think I did pretty good. She said try something new and I said no. She said try something new and I said no. Welcome to How to Eat Cookies with Ariel. So first, you have to get ice cream from the station way over there. And then you gotta get a cookie. A chocolate fudge cookie to be exact. And then you have to cover the cookie in ice cream like this. And then you take your spoon and you eat it. It's delicious. I would know. I'm eating it right now. Bye.
Ariel's gonna try 2 new foods, but we're not gonna tell her what they are.
I don't even know. And fish. Either it's fish or it's crab.
Taste it. No, put the whole thing in your mouth. So big bite. Big bite. Big girl bite. Big girl bite. Big girl bite. Big girl bite. Yep. Chew.
Whoa.
Good, huh?
No, it's not.
In your mouth.
You have to eat the whole thing.
Yep.
Bleh.
There you go. Chew. Like it?
No.
The display.
Don't think that
You just like graduate and you come straight to be a captain. You start as a cadet. We found the bridge viewing room. Look. Even like about the paint and the ropes. This is how you start. And then you go to third officer, second officer, first officer. So that is super cool. On the Epic, you have the bridge viewing room, so they have certain times and you can go and you can view the bridge.
Look at the water, it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the waves. It's really pretty here.
Ariel wants to take a dance class.
No, I'm not.
Tango! There she is.
Good. Let's move on to the second. Question number 2.
So today, I'm trying these pieces of pound cake with crepe fillings on them. This one's lemon and this one's strawberry. Here we go. I think it's actually pretty good. And now I'm going to try this one. That's good too.
We're headed for a little midnight snack. I just straightened Ariel's hair and then I just braided it so that in the morning I can just straighten it. Yeah.
You guys like my hair? Took forever.
15.
I want these push-ups.
I have an egg salad sandwich, vegetarian pizza, french fries, and peach strudel. And Ariel has nachos, french fries, and pizza. At least hers go together more. Mine is all over the place. Mine is a tummy ache waiting to happen. Hello. All right, so I realized that we didn't end the vlog for today. So as you can see, we're about to go to bed. And today is the end of day 3 on our 16-night cruise from Barcelona to Puerto Rico. Now tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow there's 2 big things happening. The first big thing, it's
My birthday!
It's Ariel's birthday and she turns 9. So tomorrow is November 25th and Ariel turns 9 tomorrow. So we are very excited for that. And tomorrow we are going to be in Malga, and I think that's how you pronounce it. We're actually taking a tour and going to the Alhambra. And I wanted to go inside, but I could not get tickets for the inside. So if you are enjoying our adventure and you like us, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, and hit that bell. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
These scary skeletons and things you don't want to know. You will found a fireplace when you see its love.